It's fall, y'all. So what does that mean? It's time to start baking here on the channel. And today, it's all about my mama's sweet potato pie. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here on today. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and More. Follow me on all of my social medias, and let's enjoy this baking video together. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees. My oven runs hot, so I'm preheating mine to 375. I'm using 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes, which have been washed and cleaned, and now I'm aggressively poking, just a few holes in them. Into the oven my potatoes go, and I'm starting at 55 minutes. But please, after 55 minutes, if your potatoes are not soft, continue to roast them. The softer they are, the smoother your sweet potato will be. So after about an hour and 15 minutes, my sweet potatoes are nice and soft. Sweet potatoes are naturally stringy. So I'm starting off by cutting the ends of my potatoes off. And next I'm going to peel the skin off. Caution to all of my new bakers on today. This potato is steaming hot, so use your tools if necessary to remove the skin. So now I'm looking for any imperfections, any like black spots or anything like that, because we want a pretty sweet potato pie. So gently remove those. As always, the full recipe will be in my description box below. Now I'm using 1 stick of unsalted butter, not margarine, unsalted butter. Using my hands as well as a hand mixer to remove as much strings from the pie filling as possible. And these are the strings that I'm talking about right here. So for safety, unplug your hand mixer, dip it in some water, and repeat this about 2 or 3 times until you're comfortable with your mixture, your sweet potato pie filling. That's what I'm trying to say. Add 2 cups of granulated sugar and mix well. Four large room temperature eggs. Comes to my extracts, well, Mama doesn't play. It has to be the good stuff, she likes to say. 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And that Watkins bacon vanilla extract, oh, y'all know that's the best, right? 1 teaspoon of that. Now let's mix well. So y'all see this new elbow? Yeah, this is Mama. She just has to come in. She just has to come in and do some mixing. Well, anyway, thanks, Mama. Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And then there goes Mama. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Now, a half a cup of sour cream. Last but not least, a tablespoon of cinnamon. And the smell in my kitchen, oh Lord, oh Lord have mercy, the smell in my kitchen. Now I'm using 2 deep dish pie shells. So gently make a few pokes in your shell. Pop in the oven for about 11 minutes. Now it's time to fill my pie shells. If you're enjoying today's recipe, I need you to do a couple of things for me. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, well, child, go ahead and subscribe. I have more great recipes coming up, and I don't want anyone to miss what I'm cooking in my priceless kitchen. Well, in church, they say if you can't say a word, then you ought to just wave your hand. So this is one of those just wave your hand kind of moments. Yeah. Yeah. Well, videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.